9 websites that will help you learn web development faster and free. Here is the list of the best 9 websites to help you learn web development. 1. How HTTP works. Everything you need to know about HTTP-based system. 2. 30 Days of Node. Learn Node step by step with interactive examples and code snippet in 30 days. 3. How DNS works. Learn what happens when you type a website address in your browser. 4. Git. Check out this excellent free website to learn Git visually. 5. JavaScript. Visualize JavaScript code and learn the workflow. 6. Algorithm Visualizer. Algorithms are always a little tricky to learn, but this website can make it easier. 7. Cryptozombies. Learn to code blockchain dApps by building simple games. 8. UseWeb3. UseWeb3 is a platform for developers to explore and learn about Web3. 9. Sorting algorithms. Learn sorting algorithms visually and intuitively. Happy learning. In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.